Hello, on this glorious sunny day. It's beautiful, isn't it? Right, all I've done today is basically tidy up, with all sawdust and everything, because I've nearly finished cutting. Only thing I've got to do is the kitchen area. Well, I decided to do them. Use 20mm. Come out okay. These bits of tacks in. This one here is I don't know if you can see the groove. Yeah, there you are. Now what it is, the cushions, I'll actually go up to that. It's 6 inch apparently from there to the top of the cushion, so quite thick cushions. Done that side. Vintage tip today, and guess what I found? Some knocking trim. So I'm going to cover that with cloth and put it down there and there. Looking at some pictures last night, and I've been a bit of a boo-boo here. This really should have been this 15mm, this stuff, and then obviously knocking trim or whatever on top to go out, and then I could have had it higher up, if you know what I mean, say there, so as when the cushion goes in, it doesn't slide off that way. It's contained as the cushion. Mind you, having said that though, I could easily put a bit of an extension. Yeah, I'll do that. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you them, these, because I think they look quite well, don't they? Once the cushion's in and everything, I think it looks smart. Just been to Builder's Yard for some, well, they call it 1x1, but it isn't actually. It's 20mm by 20mm to start the kitchen. I've decided I was going to refurb this, but looking at it, I just don't. No, I don't even want to think about it. Right, so I'm going to try and copy the measurements, because that is only 86 centimeters tall. I want it 90, and then you give it extra room on top for the sink, if you know what I mean. And there's a woman there, look. Boo! Yeah, just wanted to show you them because I'm very, very pleased with them. Very, very happy indeed. Right, next part. I've done, it's not looking too bad, is it? Those cushions are in. Oops, that way. Yeah, once cushions are in, look okay. Right, yeah, cleaned up here. I've got all the glue off there and there. Yeah, that's it. That's all I've got to report. How on earth do you get all this stuff in your van? Took it all out. Now, fair enough, it's all building material, isn't it, really? Tools and that. Look at that lot. Mind you, apart from grow bags. Look at it. How the hell have I got all that in there? Got my grandson. Oh, sorry. You can't get out. And my name ain't Grandma, it's Grandad. Oops. There you go. Right, so that's all I've done today. I'm going to be starting the kitchen. Regarding the May meat, we're going to be roughing it. We'll have the cushions, so we'll have bed, but we're not going to have any curtains or anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some of that blue tarpaulin from Pound Shop, and I'm going to have to just put them over windows, that's all, and leave them up over the weekend. At least we're going to be there. Could do with some electrician while we're there, and maybe a gas engineer. Cheers.